Achi dura goonu. Facaasi jedhi. Duraan goonuu barbaadde. Warra barreessedha. Maal barreessu barbaadanii awwaala natti ni barreessina.
Nuti mi barreessina nuti London.
Oka namni bira. Atachiiseen edit godhanii si bira. Edit godhe achirraani. Akkana jedhi achiiseeniiti. Edit godhe edit gubbaarraa godhe siin jedhe jedhiini. Finish godhe aadaa gammachuu.
Abi must go. Abi must go.
In Ethiopia, we need freedom. We need justice. We need democracy. Abiy Ahmed, stop killing Sidama. Stop killing Somali. Stop killing Oromo. Stop killing Ethiopian people. UK government. Stop. He's not supporting Ethiopia regime. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed. He's a killer. He's a killer. UK. 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 UK government. UK government. Stop supporting. Stop supporting. Stop supporting. Ethiopia regime. Ethiopia regime. UK. 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 Government. Stop. Stop supporting the killer. The killer. Abiy the killer. Abiy the killer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. UK government. Stop supporting the killer. The killer. The killer. The killer. Abiy the killer. Abiy the killer. Ethiopia government the killer. Ethiopia government the killer. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Jirra. 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 Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Free Jawahar Mohammed. Free Jawahar Mohammed.
Ambayla afan isan galifi inni am oromi fanden demiti afan amaran Allah 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 Oromo terror
Injustice anywhere. Injustice everywhere. Injustice anywhere. It's a threat to justice anywhere. Injustice anywhere. It's a threat to justice everywhere. Injustice everywhere. It's a threat to justice everywhere. Free Jawahar Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba. Free Jawahar Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba. Free Hamza Barana. Free all the political prisoners. Free all the political prisoners. Free all the political prisoners. Free all the political activists. Free all the political activists. UK government. UK government. We demand justice. Justice. We demand justice. Justice. UK. Don't support. Ethiopia government. The killer. Justice for Hachalu. Justice for Hachalu. Justice for Hachalu. Abiy. Nobel Peace Prize. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Free. Jawahar Mohammed. Free. Bakala Garba. Free. Gurbagu Tana. Free. Shamsuddin Taha. Free. All political prisoners. Oromia is no for sale. Oromia is no for sale.
jalaa qabuu danda'u.
eenyutu muude? Abiyyiin eenyutu muude? Oromoon Abiyyiin ari'uun danda'amoo hin danda'u? Ari'uun danda'amoo hin danda'u? Down down naftanyaa! Down down naftanyaa! Down down naftanyaa! Down down naftanyaa! Down down Minilik! Down down Minilik! Down down Abiy! 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 Justice for Hachalu! 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 Justice for Oromia! Justice for Oromia! Justice for Hachalu! Justice for Hachalu! Justice for Oromia! Justice for Oromia! Justice for Oromia! Justice for Oromia! Oromo jirtu! Jirra! Oromo jirtu! Jirra! Oromiyaan hin diigamti! Hin diigamtu! Hin taati! Hin taatu! Oromoon hin bittinna! Hin bittinnaa'u! Hin taati! Hin taatu! Oromoon nima! Oromoon nima! Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti! Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti! Oromo jirtu! Jirra! Oromo jirtu! Jirra! Abiyyiin eenyutu muude? Abiyyiin eenyutu muude? Naftanyaadhaaf eenyutu guyyaa baase? Sodaattu eenyutu muummicha ministeeraa godhe? Oromoon ari'uu hin danda'amoo hin danda'u? Hin danda'amoo hin danda'u? Abiy out of Oromia! Abiy out of Oromia! Abiy out of Oromia! Abiy out of Oromia! Naftanyaa out of Oromia! Naftanyaa out of Oromia! Bilchiginna out of Oromia! Bilchiginna out of Oromia! Bilchiginna out of Oromia! Bilchiginna out of Oromia! We are Oromo! 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 We are Oromia! We are Oromia! We are Oromia! We are Oromia! We are not Ethiopia! 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 We are Oromia! We are Oromia! We are Oromo! We are Oromo! Oromia shall be free! 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 Justice for Hachalu! 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 Abiy is a killer! 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 Oromo jirtu! Jirra! Oromo jirtu! Jirra! Oromo jirtu! Jirra! Oromo ni bittinna! Ni bittinna! Ni bittinna! Ni bittinna! Oromo ni waamamu! Jirra! Ni waamamu! Jirra! Abiyyi shattama gara been ari'amoo hin ari'u? Hin ari'amoo hin ari'u? Qeerroon hin danda'amoo hin danda'u? Hin danda'amoo hin danda'u? Abiy must go! 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 Abiy is a killer! 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 Are you paying tax in this country? Yes. Oromo, are you paying tax in this country? Yes. Oromo, are you paying tax in this country? Yes. UK government, UK government, stop giving our money to Ethiopian government. Stop giving our money to Ethiopian government. UK government, UK government, stop giving our tax to Ethiopian government. Stop giving our tax to Ethiopian government. UK government, UK government, stop giving our tax to Ethiopian government. Stop giving out tax to Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Virtu. Jirra. Virtu. Jirra. Virtu. Jirra. Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Abiy. Abiy kila Jalu. Abiy kila Jalu. Abiy kila Jalu. Abiy kila Jalu. Abiy kila our boys. Abiy kila our boys. Abiy kila Jalu. Abiy kila Jalu. Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Abiy. UK government. UK government. Stop. Stop. Supporting. Supporting. The killer. The killer. Abiy is the killer. Abiy is the killer. Oromo jirtu. Jirra. Oromo jirtu. Jirra. Oromo jirtu. Jirra. Jalu be. Dundule. Jalu be. jirtu! Oromoo jirtu! Oromoo jirtu! Oromoo jirtu! We need immediate release of Jawar Mohammed today. We need immediate release of Jawar Mohammed and all of Oromo prisoners. Oromo jirtu! Hajalun jira! Oromo jiru! Release of Jawar Mohammed. Oromo jirtu! Out of Oromia. Naftanya. Out of Oromia. We need justice. We need justice. Oromo. Jirtu. Hajalun indude. Jawar Mohammed. Bakala Garba. Oromota hundu. Kanilawan. Gannunisa. Abiy Ahmed Sakina. Bulsugina Sakina. We need peace. Oromo need peace. Oromo need justice. Abiy Sakina. Oromo jirtu. Oromia need some. Abiy Sakina. No more killing. No more Minilik. No shame on Africa. Minilik is a disgrace to Africa. Minilik is a slave driver. Minilik is threaten to Africa. No more Minilik. No more genocide. No more Minilik. No more shame in Africa. No Minilik. No shame in Africa. No more Minilik.
No more slavery. Military slave trader. Disgrace to Africa. Ethiopian shame to Africa.
Ethiopian shame to Africa.
Ethiopian shame to Africa. We need justice. 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 Justice for Ajalu.
Justice for Ajalu.
Justice for Ajalu.
Justice for Ajalu.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government.
UK government.
Stop supporting.
Stop supporting.
Stop supporting.
Stop supporting.
Ethiopian government.
Ethiopian government.
Abiy is a liar.
Abiy is a liar.
Abiy kill Ajalu.
Abiy kill Ajalu.
Abiy kill Ajalu.
Abiy kill Ajalu.
No more documentary.
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 We expect.
We expect.
We expect.
We expect.
Documentary.
Documentary.
From you.
From you.
We fed up.
We fed up.
We fed up.
We fed up.
We are fed up.
We are fed up.
We are fed up.
We are fed up.
You kill Ajalu.
You kill Ajalu.
Every year. In this time.
In this time.
You kill someone.
You kill someone.
Before 1 year.
Before 1 year.
You throw bomb.
You throw bomb.
In the crowd.
In the crowd.
Last year.
Last year.
You kill.
You kill.
Sahara Nakonin.
Sahara Nakonin.
Sahara Nakonin.
Sahara Nakonin.
Justice.
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 In Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
Abiy must go.
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 Abiy is a dictator.
Abiy is a dictator.
Abiy is a dictator.
Abiy is a dictator.
Abiy.
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 You didn't deserve.
You didn't deserve.
You didn't deserve.
You didn't deserve.
Nobel Peace Prize.
Nobel Peace Prize.
Nobel Peace Prize.
Nobel Peace Prize.
He's a liar.
He's a liar.
He's a liar.
He's a liar.
No peace in Eritrea now.
No peace in Eritrea now.
He's a liar.
He's a liar.
UK government. UK government. Stop supporting.
Stop supporting.
Stop supporting. Zakila.
Zakila.
Stop! Stop! Killing! Oromo people! Stop! 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 Killing! Oromo people! Free! Free! Jawar Muhammad! Free! Free! Bekala Garba! Free! Free! Abdi Ragasa! Free! Boris Johnson.
Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Abiy. Hey, are you fucking mad? Justice for Ajalu.
Why are you screaming? Come on, man. Idee bi sama raka ga.
Free Bekele Garba. Free Bekele Garba. Free Bekele Garba. No peace. No justice.
No peace.
No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. Oromo. We need justice. Oromo. We need justice. Down, down, Abiy. Abu Magaga. Hey. No more Bulsigina. No more shame in Africa. Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson. Do Africa a favor. Stop funding Ethiopia. Boris Johnson. Do Africa a favor. Stop slavery. Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson. Ethiopia is disgrace to Africa.
Justice for Achalu. Justice for Ismail Musa. Justice for Ebisa Dunya. Justice for Yosef. Yosef Gamachu. Justice for Ebisa Dunya. Justice for Achalu. UK government. UK government. Do Africa a favor. UK Parliament. Do Africa a favor. Stop terrorism in Africa. Bilsigina is terrorist. Killing children is terrorism. Killing mothers is terrorism. We need justice. We need freedom. UK government. Stop supporting the killer. Free John Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba. Free our leader. Justice for Achalu. Justice. We need freedom. We need change. What do you need? What do you need? Who's our leader? Free John Mohammed. Nama sochoosu akka namni dhaabataa jira. Muuvii agoonu. Muuvii godhaa. Gara keessa muuvii godhaa deddeemina akkas. Namni lammeessaa jedhamtu UK Parliament. Justice for our farmers. Oromo artists. Justice for Oromo artists. Justice for Ajalu. Justice for Ajalu. Justice for Ajalu. Justice for Ajalu. Justice for India. Justice for India. Justice for India. Justice for India. Justice for Ismail Musa. Justice for Yosef Gamachu. Justice for Yosef Gamachu. Boris Johnson. UK Parliament. Do Africa a favor. UK Parliament. Do Africa a favor. Stop funding Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a shame. Ethiopia is disgrace to Africa. Boris Johnson. Do Africa a favor. Stop genocide in Oromia. Stop genocide in Oromia. UK Parliament. Do Africa a favor. Stop funding terrorists. Abiy Ahmed is terrorist. Abiy Ahmed kills children. Abiy Ahmed kills artists. Abiy Ahmed is terrorist. UK taxpayers' money. UK Parliament. UK Parliament. Do Africa a favor. UK Parliament.
biyya UK magaalaa London keessatti hiriira guddaa adeemsaa oollee mootummaa kanatti mataa oollee Abiy Ahmed akka nama ajjeestee Abiy Ahmed diktaatara akka ta'e mootummoota dhiibaa jirra yeroon biyya keessa jirtan qabsoo keessa kenniisaati haala inaan kanneen isin jalaa badee jira waan biyya alaa kana keessa jiru waan addaati seenaa Oromiyaa keessatti seenaa Oromoo keessatti waan takkaa mul'annee agamma waan ajaa'iba mutaara Ameerikaa Awurooppaa Awustiraaliyaa biyya keessatti kanaaf dhaamsa hin qabu qabsoon nafxanyaa Oromiyaa keessaa jabaatee itti fufuu qabaa namu gama dandeenye jechuun warri biyya alaa jirtan keessatti yeroo ammaa networkiin badee jira bilbila daayirektii warra bilbilaatiin waan biyya alaa kana keessa deemaa jiru warra hubachiisaa qabsoon kumiineetiin galma gahuu qabaa jawaan kennanii baa haga baqalaan kenna haga hooggantoonni kenna guutuu nu ga'anitti qabsoon galmaa'ee guutuu dhaabbachuu qabnu itti fufnaa hundi asii deemaa jirra magaalaa deemaa jira jabaadhaa ammallee dhaabbachuu qabu bakka maratti biyya mara keessatti itti fufuu qaba namni tokko waan kana dhaabuu qabu bakka jirtan mara yoo kaati biyyoota jirtan mara keessaa yoo itti fufuu qaba akkana duuba dhaabachuu hin qabnu bakka jirtan mara yoo bahuu qabdanii jabaadhaa Oromiyaa jabaadhaa
Free Jalal Mohammed! Down, down.
Down, no Kenya.
Justice for Hachalu. Justice for Hachalu. Free Jawahar Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba. Free Hamza Borana. Free Oromia Media Network. Free Oromia Media Network. Free Girma Mutama. Free Girma Mutama. Justice for Hachalu. Abi must go. Abi must go. Abi must go. Abi is the killer. Abi is the liar. Abi is the liar. Bilsigina is the liar. Abi must go. Raftanya must go.
Jawahar Mohammed jalan nani? Akan masyarakat rakyat tadi sebagai Jawahar Mohammed. Mau Jawahar Mohammed jalan media mana? Baca tadi sini ada kata orang pilih. Kata apa? Erkan agar ulam Jawahar jalan kata please. Kata ulam Jawahar jalan. Orang Nam erkan agar suruh لا أكس قال قال عالتو Jangan sah. Okay, lagi pada jalan. Lagi pada. Okay, guys. Okay, we just want to tell you why we are here. Maybe you might be wondering. We just. Lagi pada. Lagi pada. Thank you very much for the police forces. We just want to tell you why we are here today. You might have heard the name Hachalu repeatedly mentioned. Hachalu is one of many Oromo artists that have been assassinated by Ethiopia. I just want to briefly tell you why Hachalu Hundessa, this renowned African singer, was assassinated by Ethiopia. This is what happened. Over the past few weeks, we have seen the statues of slave traders pulled down in the UK, in America, everywhere. But these slave traders did not go to Africa, did not capture slaves. They were African emperors that captured the slaves and sold them over. One of these emperors was Emperor Menelik of Ethiopia. Emperor Menelik was behind the colonization of Africa. Emperor Menelik owned at one particular point, for the journalists if you want to research, you can research the work of Richard Pancras. He owned at one particular point more than 100,000 slaves. And he owned the slaves because he wanted to get firearms from the European colonial establishment. His statue is erected at the heart of Africa, at the center of Africa, in Finfinne, in the capital of Oromia. What Hachalu did was nothing. He just said, this statue of disgrace, this statue of shame to Africa should be removed. That's all he said. And in return, Hachalu deserved respect. Hachalu deserved praise. What Hachalu deserved was a Nobel Peace Prize. Yes. It wasn't a bullet. What Hachalu deserved was a Nobel Peace Prize, not assassination. Hachalu was assassinated because he told Africans, African Emperor Menelik was a slave driver. We want the world to understand We pulled the statue of Edward in Bristol. We pulled the statues of slave traders down in London. What we're saying is, now Africa should be awake. We have to pull down the system, the slave traders, Emperor Menelik that owned millions of slaves ready for shipment. People who ended up in plantation in Brazil, in plantation in America, people who built the White House, people who built cities in Europe. That was genocide. That's the genocide we're standing against. We're not standing against, we're not protesting against any ethnic group. We are protesting against slavery. Today slavery prevails. Look at these young people. Many of us here fled persecution from Ethiopia. Many of our friends, sisters and brothers sold out in Libya for $100 a person in open market. That is what Abiy Ahmed has been doing. Abiy Ahmed is forcing people to flee home, and these people are finding themselves sold.
Stop!
That's what we want to say. That's what we want UK to understand. Britain, you set a good model to get rid of slavery, but how come you support a system, a regime that is conducting slavery now, today? Abiy Ahmed deserved justice trial in International Criminal Court. He didn't deserve Nobel Peace Prize.
Yes.
Abiy Ahmed deserved fair trial in Africa soil, at African Human Rights Court. He didn't deserve Nobel Peace Prize. We don't, Europe, listen. The Ferengis, listen. You should say enough is enough. You pulled down the statue of Edward in Bristol. Edward did not go to Africa and capture slaves at gunpoint. It was Menelik who captured the slaves, millions of people, and sold them to the likes of Edward. Yes. It was Haile Selassie who sold the slaves. That's why we are standing against.
Thank you very much for listening. If people are wondering why many people are here and why most of us are emotional today, it must be clear to the peoples in the United Kingdom that one of our most respected, one of our most vocal young singer was murdered just days ago by Abiy's regime. Abiy's government is deceiving the world because he was awarded Nobel Peace Prize by the Norwegian institutions. That was a grave mistake. That does not match reputation of the Norwegian institution. Abiy is a warmonger. He is not a man of peace. Today, Ethiopia is in war in every part of the country. There isn't any internet connection today in Ethiopia, including in the capital city, Finfinne, which some people call Addis Ababa. There is no internet connection. In the meantime, Abiy's security forces are murdering Oromo in many parts of Oromia. People are being dragged out of prison cells and being killed in cold blood by Ethiopia's security forces. And the world is watching. But the internet blackout today in Ethiopia is covering everything. Today, why we are here, why we are so emotional here, if you are asking yourself why many people are here today, why people are so emotional, in April 2018, the Oromo people in Oromia brought Abiy's government to power after paying in lives of over 5,000 people. In days' time of coming to power, occupying the federal government seat, Abiy turned on Oromia, started persecuting politicians in Oromia, musicians, every youth who paid in their lives to bring him to power. So what we are demanding today from the United Kingdom government is one thing. United Kingdom is one of many world powerful countries supporting Ethiopian government. We demand the United Kingdom not supporting a government that is using taxpayers' money to kill civilians in Ethiopia, especially in Oromia. What we are telling the United Kingdom today is to stop paying, to stop sponsoring state terrorism in Ethiopia. What is going on in Ethiopia today is not a matter of conflict between peoples. It's not disagreement between Ethiopian peoples. It's a matter of a state terrorizing Oromo people to stay in power. Okay, so we ask, one, the political leaders, national political leaders of Oromo are arrested days ago.
You losing lot. You're talking about traffic.
We demand immediate release of our political leaders, immediate release and without any condition release of our political prisoners, because they are under a day's threat. And we are not saying this without any ground. Abiy killed Hachalu Hundessa. Abiy killed Hachalu Hundessa. And he is pointing on everybody, including Egypt, as somebody killed Hachalu in secret. The only organized force that could have killed Hachalu is Abiy's security forces. It must be clear to the world. We demand justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Hachalu Hundessa was killed in cold blood. He deserved peace prize. He didn't deserve murder in cold blood. So we ask the United Kingdom not to sponsor state terrorism in Oromia, not to sponsor state terrorism throughout Ethiopia. That's all.
We just want to say thank you to the police force here. I just want to share with you, Hachalu was killed. Hachalu was killed because he was accused of protest. Hachalu's brothers, Hachalu's family members, while they were mourning, while they were grieving, they were sprayed with live bullets by police forces. Thank you for what you have done. Thank you for keeping us safe. And what we want to say here is we should not be here. All these people should be working and we are paying taxes. Our tax money is going to sponsor the government of Abiy Ahmed. The government of Ethiopia receives more than 35% of its annual budget from the UK. From me, from you guys, from the officers here, from the taxpayers. It is my taxpayers' money.
It's not right.
Haga deebii kennar galluutti hin deemnu garuu karaa gadhiifnee fi achi dubbasitti as karaa kana hafannuu fi karaa kana akka
Guys, can you head on to the pavement for us, please? Is that okay?
Guys, can you start moving forward now, please? You two fed up, please. Can you move down, please? Forward first, please.
Push me then.
Can you move forward then? Can you move forward then?
I'm pushing.
Well, then move forward.
I'm pushing. I don't like pushing. Don't touch me.
Are we? You haven't
Don't
chilled.
touch me. I'm telling you.
You haven't chilled. I thought you would have.
I don't like some people touching me. I don't like people touching me.
Oromo khabaja kabdi. Oromo khabaja kabdi tabe khani.
Galatoma.
keessa deemtanii akka nu bittinnooftu taphataa jirtan basaastonni isin argaa jirra. Gaafa warri taphataa jirtan
Just move back, allow some room. Guys.
Everybody!